If you're looking for some Loma Linda or Worthington foods, I want to invite you to come check out this page. We've got a whole lot to select from. To get to it, there's a link right below the video you're now watching, or you can go straight to the page at susanstein.com, and it's page 5, and it's Health Food Store. And right away you're going to see some Big Franks, and then as you scroll down you're going to see more. There's Big Franks and Tender Bits and low-fat Big Franks, and Linketts and FriChik and Veggie Burger, Swiss Steak, FriChik Original, Redi Burger, and Little Links and Skallops and chili and different burgers, Choplets. We got some Cedar Lake stuff too. Saucettes, that's always a favorite of mine. And then below we're going to find some more things like Boca, more Cedar Lake. Here's the McKay's chicken seasoning, Amy's chilies. Got the gravy, the chicken gravy. These are all vegetarian, and even some Morningstar grillers. And you can go down and there's more foods, and there's milk and egg substitutes and different little things you can look at. We also have activated charcoal, and there's just a lot of stuff to look at on this page. So if you're interested in checking them out, again, I want to invite you to check out the link that's below the video you're now watching. Or again, you can go straight to the page at susansdesign.com, page 5. And the health food store is right here. And again, there's just lots and lots of ones to choose from and look at and check them out. So come take a look. Thank you.